Hello everyone, I'm Jay, and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you the basic phonic blend sounds for the letters A-I, A-Y, O-O, U-E, and U-I. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to smash the notification bell to keep up to date on our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to practice together. Let's give it a try. A, A, A. Rain, rain, rain. Paint, paint, paint. Train, train, train. A, A, A. Day, day, day. Play, play, play. Crayon, crayon, crayon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Moon, moon, moon. Boots, boots, boots. Balloon, balloon, balloon. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Blue, blue, blue. Glue, glue, glue. Clue, clue, clue. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Fruit, fruit, fruit. Suit, suit, suit. Juice, juice, juice. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos on English pronunciation every week. You can find some of them here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay, signing off. See you again real soon. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.